Hello, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Firstly, enter Google app, tap button in the right corner, go to Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable this function. Now go back, tap on lock screen and make sure this function is also enabled. Now you can lock the screen and simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like today?"
It's 11 and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 11 and a low of 5.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.